grab tool. This is serious now. Okay, YouTube, Murtacus back here, bringing you guys a video. We're gonna do a tire repair on this car. Just take you through the ropes, how I do it. This is part of my business that I do during the day, aside from YouTube. That's how I get my money. But as you can see in my Prius, I got air compressor, got the jack, and yeah. Pretty straightforward. You're gonna need a jack. You can do it without taking the tire off, but tire repair is usually a little bit easier when you take the wheel off. Okay. So we are on a little bit of an incline, so I recommend putting some type of, you know, block or something to keep the car from rolling. This is automatic though, so wouldn't be too worried about it, but just, you know, never can be too safe. So this is going to be a 21mm socket, unless it's like a aftermarket wheel. Toyota's typically a 21mm socket, and you're going to need a set of sockets to do this. So I usually take little breaker bar just to break the lugs loose. These are nice because it's all black. This car comes with security bolt, so we need to install it, and you just put it on where it doesn't wiggle, so that's how you know you got it on right. Okay. So that's done. Now I'll take my impact driver, torque wrench, whatever this is, and we're gonna lift it up now. Should be good. So you're just gonna go one by one, take them off, put it to the side. And this will come right out. So that is where the nail is. Nice one. Okay. Now we'll add a little bit of air. Yeah, these are nice because these are portable. This also does jump starting. I'd recommend getting one. Give that some air, and then we'll go get our plug. I run through these things a lot. I get a lot of calls with people with nails in the tire. These only really work if it's a nail. If it's bigger than a nail, you gotta get it patched from the inside, but these are really good. I use them all the time. It's kind of a preference thing. Some people don't like them, but if it's a nail, these work really good. So yep, just put this through the middle part like so. Grab a pair of pliers. You can hear it leaking air. So it's always going to be different trying to get the nail out. It's never really the same. Trying to, you know, pull it out. Always something different. So on these, you don't want to fight it. See if we can get it up more. Use the leverage. Now I can use my grab tool. It's a serious nail. Put to the side. And now it's sealed. I'll show this to the customer after. Now you don't have to do this, but I always take a knife and I'll cut the excess off. That's good enough. Throw the trash in here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All we gotta do is just put the wheel back on. You gotta line the middle part of the studs into the wheel, especially on these Toyotas. You gotta make sure it's in the middle, because if you don't, it won't tighten correctly. So I just put them on by hand, and then I'm gonna just tighten it down with my gun, and that will be tight. So it's on tight. With the security bolt, you want to do that one last, and you want to use a breaker bar. You do got to use a torque wrench. I mean, the lug nuts do go on torque wise, but for this job, you can just use the gun. So it's at 34 psi. Pretty standard for a Toyota sedan. 34 in the back. It's the sweet spot. So we'll put this back on. And that's pretty much it, guys. All you have to do is lower the car, and you're pretty much done from there. So it's back on the ground. Take your little wheel chalk, don't forget it, because if you back up, you're gonna go over it and people are gonna be like, what the heck is that? So 1/4 inch tight, that's usually what I do. You don't want to over tighten it. These are tight. Good. 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 So that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Murtacus out. Peace.